Hi, I'm Ava. Welcome to Korean Ladder, where tiny sounds make real Korean click.
안녕하세요, 하나입니다. 오늘도 같이 한국어 소리 감각을 익혀봐요.
안녕하세요, 준호입니다. Today, we will practice the sound of calling someone's attention.
Here's my problem. I say, 엄마, or 저기요, but it sounds like I'm just reading a vocabulary word, not calling someone.
맞아요. In Korean, when you call out, the pitch often rises sharply and then holds a little.
If the pitch is flat, 엄마 can sound like you are just saying the word mom. With the calling pitch, 엄마, 버 sounds like you are calling her.
So the difference is not a new word. It is the melody.
오늘의 핵심은 부를 때 쓰는 억양이에요. In English, that means calling intonation, the sound you use to get someone's attention.
The shape is simple. Start normally, jump up near the end, and hold the final sound just a little.
First example, 저기요. 저기요 is a polite way to get attention, like excuse me.
Second example, 여기요. It can mean over here, please, or excuse me. Often when calling attention in a restaurant or shop.
엄마 means mom. If you are calling from another room, you are not just saying the word. You call 엄마. 그, tit.
Let me try the flat one first. 엄마.
Good for the noun, but for calling, lift it. 엄마. pitch.
Listen to the pitch. 소리가 높게 올라가요. In English, the pitch goes up.
So I should not just be louder. I should make the pitch go up.
Exactly. Korean calling intonation is not only volume, it is a clear rise with a small hold at the end.
Let's unpack 저기요. 저기 can mean over there, but in 저기요, it works like a polite attention getter. 요 adds politeness, and the calling sound makes it function like excuse me.
So, 저기요 is not just over there plus. 요. In real life, it can be a polite attention getter.
Right. And 여기요 is common when you want attention towards your place, like over here, please.
맞아요. And the polite 요 often carries the lifted, held feeling. 저기요, 푹, 여기요.
For some names or short calls, the last syllable can rise when calling. 민수, 피, 지현, 피. In everyday speech, you may also hear forms like 민수야. We'll cover that next time.
If I say 민수 flat, it sounds like I'm talking about him. If I say 민수, it can sound like a short call, though 민수야 is also very common.
Now listen to a tiny restaurant moment. Notice the first line rises and holds.
저기요.
네, 잠시만요.
I hear it. 저기요 goes up and stays there for a beat.
저기요.
네, 잠시만요.
좋아요. Now one more. This time, 여기요 means over here, please.
여기요.
네, 도와드릴게요.
Okay, repeat after me time. I'll try. 저기요.
Good. Keep it short. 저기요. Quit. Not 저기요. Just a small hold.
저기요 북동쪽 화살표.
좋아요. Now try 엄마.
엄마야.
Good. Make the rise a little cleaner. Not 엄마, but 엄마. 끝. 끝.
엄마 북동쪽 화살표.
Nice. That sounds like a real call, not just a vocabulary word.
What is the most common mistake for English speakers here?
The common mistake is staying flat and trying to fix it with volume. Loud but flat still sounds off.
Another mistake is stretching too much. 저기요 should not become a long, dramatic 저기요. Keep it short and clear.
오늘의 핵심 문장처럼 기억해요. 짧게 말하고 높게 올리고 살짝 유지해요.
Quiz time. You are at a restaurant and want the server's attention politely. Which sounds most natural?
I think it is B because the pitch is doing the polite calling work.
정답은 B예요. 저기요. Sounds like a polite call. Flat 저기요 can sound like you are just reading it, and 저기 alone is not the polite restaurant call we want here.
Second check. You are calling your mom from another room. Which one is the call?
B again. 엄마.
B again. 엄마 퓨트 is the call. 엄마 flat sounds like just a noun, and 엄마요 can appear in answers, but it sounds unnatural as a way to call your own mom.
정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 부를 때 소리가 올라가요. First, when you call out, the pitch goes up.
둘째, 끝소리를 살짝 길게 유지해요. Second, hold the final sound a little, but do not make it too long.
셋째, 평평하면 그냥 단어를 말하는 것처럼 들려요. Third, a flat tone can sound like you are just saying the word, not calling the person.
넷째, 저기요 and 여기요 are useful polite calls. In Korean, 저기요, 여기요는 정중하게 부를 때 써요.
My keeper sentence is simple. 저기요. Rise, then hold.
오늘은 이 억양만 기억하세요. 저기요. Remember the rising call.
Next time, we will connect this sound to name-calling forms like 민수야. 수고하셨습니다.
Thanks for climbing with us. I'm Ava, and this was Korean Ladder.